Hey everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at this multi-cleaning pen tool by Ponywalk. Let's open it up and get right into it. So inside the box we've got our pen cleaning tool and an extra attachment. Let's check these out just a little bit closer. So the pen cleaning tool comes in a super sleek, small, compact form factor. It looks kind of like a lipstick case. And the top cover stays locked on nice and secure with magnets. So we have this nice metal pin tip right here, which you can use to clean things out of the hard to reach places on your different devices. Then we also got a nice little brush right here, which you can use to go right over. I'll show you a demonstration here shortly. And then inside the cleaning pen itself comes with an extra deep sponge for actually cleaning the carrying case itself. I will show you this in a second. Also included is an additional tip. We got this rubber spudger-like, which is going to be used for keyboards and other electronics. And then we have like a simple brush over here as well. And if you ever want to use those, you can easily just insert it into the holder tool right there, and it'll be nice and secure, and you can easily switch it from one end to the other for quick on-the-go cleaning purposes. Now when you want to clean out your earpods or earbuds, you can use this little pen tool here to get into the corners and deep places where there's grit and grime. You can also use this brush here once you start to get things out to brush things loose. And depending on the carrying case your device has, you can use this little sponge right here to get into the deep nooks and crannies of a case. And we'll work on a variety of different cases for dusting, cleaning, and getting things all nice and polished up. Now the spudger tip here can be used for different items like trying to get in between the keys of a keyboard, trying to get dust, dirt, and grit out. And then you can use the brush as well for light dustings and getting quickly in between and out of hard to reach places. So if you're looking for something that's simple and effective that's going to allow you to keep all of your devices nice and tidy and clean, then the Ponywalk multi-cleaning pen is the product that you want to check out.